Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Bloomberg Terminal and see if it's the ultimate finance platform of 2025. So let's start by knowing what is the Bloomberg Terminal. So the Bloomberg Terminal is a subscription-based financial data powerhouse used by the investment banks, hedge funds, asset managers, and governments. So it offers real-time market data, analytics, news, charting, and trading tools, all in one interface. So it is also known for its speed, reliability, and unmatched depth. So its key features in 2025. So here's what you get with a Bloomberg Terminal today. So first is the real-time global market data. So stocks, bonds, FX, crypto, commodities, derivatives, so you can get all those, and the breaking news, so from over 100,000 sources, including Bloomberg's own award-winning newsroom. They also have the Bloomberg Chat, or the IB, so secure messaging with traders, analysts, and firms worldwide. The powerful analytics, yield curves, earning projections, financial ratios, and risk models. So they also have the Excel integration, or the API. So you can pull live data directly into Excel for custom dashboards. And their portfolio and risk management tools. So you can track P&L, simulate scenarios, and stress test positions. And lastly is the company profile. So deep dives into public and private companies with detailed filings. And in 2025, Bloomberg's continue to add AI-powered search tools like the ESG datasets and crypto or DeFi monitoring tools. So for the pricing, let's talk about the price. The Bloomberg Terminal costs about $2,500 to $3,000 per month per user, or over $25,000 per year. Yes, it is very expensive, but for institutional users, it is considered essential. So many may say that speed, accuracy, and access make it worth the cost. So who is it for? So Bloomberg Terminal is perfect for investment banks, hedge funds, institutional traders and analysts, portfolio managers, and government and regulatory bodies. But it is likely overkill for retail traders, mobile-first investors, and cost-conscious firms or startups. So the alternatives to consider, if Bloomberg is too expensive, here are a few alternatives in 2025 that you can use. First is the Fin. So this is affordable with beautiful charting and macro tools, and also the trading view. It is more retail friendly and modern, but limited on fundamentals. Now for my final verdict. So is Bloomberg Terminal still the best finance platform in 2025? The answer is yes, if you're a full-time institutional user or a pro analyst. So it is unmatched speed, data converge, and reliability makes it the gold standard. But for most solo traders or small firms, the cost may not justify the features, so you might be better off with a mix of tools like Coifin, Yahoo Finance, or Econ, depending on your needs. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!